Well, we've got a vlogger in the making here. Look.
Extended bit here.
Sue's busy with the camera. She gets all excited when she sees these adventure vans.
Vehicle.
Don't know what that's about.
And look at those
When she's
boy
finished,
tyres.
I'll switch over to her footage.
Really quirky VW. Gasless. I've never seen anything with quite this design before.
Just like, where are you going to hand it here? Yeah.
That
You
ceiling.
can start off in Poshcats. What I go to, they've got a screen like,
Just no explanation. So in Clifton, we had a job come on.
See the pretty, look at the pretty top.
Because there was a graffiti that's going on with the steps. As the day goes on, and they all start panicking.
Look at those unusual cupboards. Look at that. This is the bed. And underneath, you've got all these pink cupboards with all the batteries. Look at that for a set of batteries. Obviously designed for going off grid. And this slides, this tray at the bottom. So I suppose if you put your bikes to it, you can slide it out and access them easily. And then this is the back doors. All these storage bags. And the same the other side.
and that can still get absorbed.
That's on.
So I haven't filmed the back doors. And there's you can store stuff on the roof. There's a rack on the roof. And then you've got storage on the outside doors as well. And on both of them it's the same. And then you've got an extended bit here. Really smart looking vehicle. And look at those bad boy tyres.